Keisha walks up to her fridge, trying to get orange juice.
Fridge. Access denied. You're unstable.
Keisha. Huh? Fridge. You cried in front of me 4 nights straight and didn't restock the ice. Keisha. That's not your business. Fridge. Neither is you texting your ex, yet here we are. Microwave. She reheated the same heartbreak 3 times this week. Toaster. And burned every new opportunity. Keisha. I just want juice. Fridge. Get
Therapy first, then hydration.
Keisha punches the door. Fridge. Now you assaulting appliances? I'm calling Alexa.